Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Windows 11 ISO file officially and upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 without losing any data. But first, we need to download Windows 11 ISO file. I have already downloaded it. And I'm going to show you how we can download it officially from Microsoft server. Let's get started. Open your web browser and go to uepdump.net. This site provides data from Microsoft server, so it is safe to use. I have given you link in the description below. Now, scroll down, and we can see the latest dev channel build. On the right-hand side, we need to select architectures according to our requirements. I am going to select x64. Here, we can see Windows 11 updated build. Click on it. Now, choose language, then click on Next. Here, we can choose Windows editions according to our requirements. I am going to select Windows Home and Windows Pro. Then, click on Next. Now, on download method, we can select download and convert to ISO or download, add additional editions and convert to ISO. I am going to select this for selecting the additional editions, which I want. Here, on conversion options, select use solid ESD compression for creating an ISO file. Then, select edition, which you want. And click on create download package. After downloading, go to the download location. Here, extract the downloaded file. Open the folder. Run the script file as administrator. Command prompt appears. It is going to download Windows 11 files from Microsoft server. As we can see, downloading has started. It will take time according to your internet speed. It has been downloaded. Now, it is preparing to create an ISO file. It will take around 2 hours. Windows 11 ISO file has been created. Press 0 to exit the command prompt. As we can see, here is the ISO file. With this Windows 11 ISO file, we can upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11. Let's begin the upgrading process. First, we will mount Windows 11 ISO file. Right-click on it. Open with Windows Explorer. It has been mounted successfully. Now, run the setup. It is preparing. Click Next. It is now going to check updates for current Windows version. If any updates are pending, it will update them first. Now, it is getting ready to upgrade the Windows. Accept license terms. Again, it is checking for updates. Now, it is going to prepare for Windows update. Setup is ready to install. It is going to install Windows 11 Home without losing any data. Make sure Keep Personnel Files and Applications is selected here. If not, we need to change it by clicking Change What to Keep. Now, click on Install. It is now installing the Windows 11. It will take around 2 hours. And it will restart several times in between. Windows has been upgraded. Here, it will take a little bit of time. Now, check the Windows edition and version. We can see here, Windows 10 has been updated to Windows 11. Thank you guys for watching our video. Give us a like if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for new videos.